Example number 2 is 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 plus 0. So again, what is the first step?
Divide sa 2.
Divide the equation by a. What is the value of a? 2. So after you divide a of 2. 2x squared divided by 2, pila? X squared. Then a, pila?
6.5. 3 point.
Fraction na ta. This is negative 7
2.
over 2x. Negative 4 divided by 2.
1.
1, 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Equals 0. Sunod? Kasi sunod. Okay, transpose negative 2, the constant term to the right side. So this will become x squared minus 7 over 2x equals 2. So negative 2, transpose sa imong 2. Okay? Next is, sunod.
Katong kuhan? Square? Di pa rin half of.
Sunod.
Half.
Okay, so mag-do na sa squares. So we're going to have 1/2 of what?
7. Negative 7.
Negative 7 over 2. So 1/2 of negative 7 over 2, pila man? 1 times negative 7 is? Negative 7. 2 times 2? 4. So saan natin negative 7 over 4? Atong i? Square. What is the square of negative 7 over 4?
49.
16 over 16. So man natin i-add. So x squared minus 7 over 2x plus 49 over 16 equals 2 plus 49 over 16. Next, we're going to make this one as a square of a binomial. Kung saan itong square dire? Negative 7 over 4. So this will become x minus 7 over 4 squared. Okay? Equals, kaya po, natin solve. 2 plus 49 over 16. What is the LCD? 16. This is over 1. So 16 divided by 1. 16 times 2. 32. 16 divided by 16. 1 times 49. 49. How much is 32 plus 49? 81. So this is equivalent to 81 over 16. So kano is equivalent sa 81 over 16. Susunod. Subtract the square root. So square root of the left side equals square root of the right side. How much is the square root of this one? Okay, x minus 7 over 4 equals 9 plus minus 9 over 4. Sunod. Transpose. Negative 7 over 4. May mo si Jam? 7 over 4. Plus minus 9 over 4. X equals 7 over 4 plus 9 over 4. Or you can have 7 over 4 minus 9 over 4. Okay. Similar fraction na sila. So, over 4. 7 plus 9. Kila? 16. So, 16 divided by 4. Kila naman? 4. So, the first value of x is 4. Second one? 7 minus 9. 1.
1. Negative 2, sir.
Negative 2. So, this will be negative 2 over 4. After I simplify, this is 1 half.
Negative 1
Negative 1.
2.
1 half.
Yes,
So the values of x are 4 or you can have negative 1. Any question?